So our group has mainly focused on two things. So one is we conduct studies, long-term studies of how people actually live with robots out in the wild, in the real world, to see what kind of engagement they have with robots and sort of the playful aspects. How do they actually spend time with robots, and what do they do with it, and try to learn from that and develop sort of design cases and scenarios, interaction design prototypes and sort of methods to capture sort of what people actually would like to do with robots. So it's sort of a more from a design point of view, how we're gonna handle these new materials that robots really are, and how we can sort of make something useful in the future with this. We try to focus on how people spend time with robots, and also what they do together with these sort of agents. So what I see as being a companion within the Lirec project, I see companion like when you look it up in a dictionary. It's something that really follows you around and you spend time with it. So that's one of the things that I've actually focused on, trying to look what that really is. I mean, is it just a long-term relationship where you have just a few occasional interactions, or is it more like a mobile phone that it's something that you have with you all the time, being like a true companion in that sense. But so that's we've done studies, for instance, where we actually have people that carry around a robot during like 3 days at all times, and I feel that is really about companionship, because it's sort of this really intimate, close connection, although it's just most of the time carrying around a really bulky piece of equipment or technological artifact, but it's you really can see bonds forming. So the robots are actually bringing together different strands of research in a very nice way, because robots are sort of a composite of many materials, and then all these materials are scattered all over the place. It's very much similar to how it was in human-computer interaction in the beginning, where some techie people were building the hardware and others were more focused on the user experience. And when you bring those two together, you have a really nice setup for collaboration. That I think it's really important for research to be this interdisciplinary collaboration, because you get to expand your view through other lenses that are out there, and it's really important, and it will be really fruitful to see what will come out of it. And I think it's especially important for human-robot interaction, because where I think it's right now catching up in a sense.